Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a unique recipe which is beetroot idiyappam and banana stew. This is quite different combo friends and tastes delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna show the recipe of beetroot idiyappam. We have taken 2 cups of idiyappam flour and half a cup of grated beetroot. Idiyappam flour is store-bought one. My amma is only sharing this recipe for us. We are boiling 4 cups of water. Add in half a cup of grated beetroot. Boil it nicely so that the beetroot juice get extracted. Add in salt as needed for idiyappam. In goes 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. The water has boiled perfectly. We have taken 2 cups of idiyappam flour. Strain the 4 cups of beetroot water into the idiyappam flour. This gives nice color to our idiyappam. Mix it gently with the spoon. Actually, this dough will be so hot, so mix it carefully. Mix the dough with the spoon and cool it slightly. We have transferred the dough in this plate and my amma is kneading the dough nicely. Actually, this dough is hot but manageable to knead it. We have to knead it nicely to get soft idiyappam. Pink colored beetroot idiyappam dough is ready now. The idiyappam plate is greased with oil and we have placed in some coconut. On top of the coconut, use the idiyappam maker and press the dough. You'll get thin stains of beautiful pink colored idiyappam dough flowing from the idiyappam maker. Isn't it cute friends? We got this color naturally from the vegetable. If your kids are hesitating to eat vegetable beans, you can make this idiyappam and give. Place the idiyappam in steamer and cook it for 10 minutes. Look at it friends, our beautiful beetroot idiyappam is ready to be served now. After steaming the idiyappam, the color will fade away a little bit. Now let's prepare banana stew, which is best combo for this beetroot idiyappam. We need 2 ripe plantain to make this stew. Heat 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil in a kadai. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seed. In goes 2 red chilli and curry leaf. Add in 1 chopped onion and saute it until it turns translucent. Add in the chopped bananas. Well, the banana shouldn't be overripe to make this dish. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Add in 2 cups of second coconut milk. Well, second coconut milk will be of loose consistency. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have to add more sugar for the stew. Actually, this banana stew will be a little sweeter. Cover it and cook it until the bananas are cooked well. The stew is boiling and the bananas are cooked. Now add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk, which is the first coconut milk. Mix it until everything combines well. We shouldn't cook after adding the first coconut milk. There are chances of curdling. Switch off the flame and our beetroot idiyappam and banana stew is ready to be served now. Look at it friends, how beautifully our idiyappam and the stew has turned out. I need to thank my amma for sharing this recipe in our channel. Before steaming, idiyappam will be in pink color and after cooking, it will turn to beautiful orange color. This is our breakfast. We served it with papaya as well. Do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.